Hi guys, it's Ashley from Rally Raid, and we're just going to show you a quick informal guide on how to set up your DMD. This will be fresh from the box. So the first thing you want to do is go across to your settings and connect to the Wi-Fi. This will allow you to install the latest update for your DMD app. So now we've connected to the Wi-Fi. You can come back out of your settings and back to the DMD app, and it will prompt you to update the app. Now we're back into the app. This is just the home screen where you'll have a picture of the local area, speedo, and some app features, but we're going to be focusing on the main map mode, which is the second icon along. You'll be prompted to download a map when you first go in, so go ahead and click yes, and at the bottom of the screen you'll see the download maps icon. You'll be shown a list of continents. Click on the relevant continent and then select the map for your area. Once your map is completed downloading, you can come back out and you'll see now that you'll have roads and icons listed around your area that you wouldn't have had before. You can zoom in and out and scroll around and you should see everything. The icon at the top here will allow you to toggle between north facing or your direction that you're heading. The second icon down is for recording your own GPX files. That's as simple as just hitting the record button, riding around, clicking stop, and then your recordings will be saved. The third icon down is the most important one, which is for loading in GPX files. These dashed lines in the top corner will allow you to bring up a drop down where you can select between the phone's storage or your SD card. So if you are loading your GPX files via your computer, you'll probably upload them onto the SD card. The option that we like best is on Google Drive, which you can get from the Play Store here. So you will have to log in to your Google account. So now we can head to the top of the screen where you have the search bar, and in here just type Drive or Google Drive, and this will bring up the Google Drive app. Triangle symbol here, and then just click install. Once it's ready, you can click open, and then this will allow you to sign into Google Drive. You can now drop any GPX files into your Google Drive here, and then when you go back across to the DMD app, under the menu where it displayed your storage, you'll now see your Google Drive. So we're just going back into the GPX icon here, clicking load, and you'll now see when you press the dashed lines at the top there, you'll see your Google Drive show up. And now you can just click on this and it will bring up your Google Drive where you've stored your GPXs in a folder. simply scroll up to the GPX you want to load, tap on it, and it will drop the GPX file into your map. The map still operates as normal, so you can still scroll around and zoom in and out. So if we go back into the GPX icon and go down to settings, there's some useful adjustments in here to do with the line width and transparency of your GPX track. So this will just make it a little bit easier to navigate using both the map and the GPX, as by default it's set a little wide so it can block your road and your labels. So as you can see, that's much easier to read. Now to navigate to the GPX track, you can either click and hold and it will just drop a pin, and then you can click navigate to. This is if you just want to start at any point of the GPX track, but if you tap on the GPX track you can also navigate to, and this will take you to the start of the GPX track. This will give you a few options to allow you to either navigate using the DMD or Google Maps, and you can select how you want to travel: off-road, road fun, or road fast. Once finished, you can click on the top of the track, click finish. Hopefully that was enough information to get you guys riding. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below and we'll try and answer them for you as soon as possible.